Curious about where the fuse box is located in the 2023 Hyundai Kona EV and how to understand its diagram? In this guide, we will walk you through the fuse box locations, their functions, and how to identify and replace blown fuses. Driver's side fuse panel. The driver's side fuse panel in the 2023 Hyundai Kona EV provides access to essential electrical fuses controlling various vehicle functions. It features a removable cover for easy access and a labeled diagram for quick identification of fuse locations. Motor compartment fuse panel. The motor compartment fuse panel houses essential fuses and relays that protect the vehicle's electrical systems. It is designed for easy access, usually located near the battery under the hood. The panel includes labeled fuse slots for efficient troubleshooting and maintenance. Motor compartment fuse panel. The motor compartment fuse panel with a battery terminal cover protects key fuses and relays while shielding the battery terminals from dust and moisture. It ensures safe electrical connections and prevents accidental short circuits.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.